Some birds sing, but one bird can sense a storm before it even forms. This is the golden-winged warbler, nature's tiny meteorologist. In 2014, something strange happened. These birds suddenly vanished from their home in Tennessee, even though the weather was perfectly calm. No warning, no clouds, no pressure drop, nothing. Then 48 hours later, a massive, deadly storm slammed the region. Scientists checked the data. The warblers left before the storm developed, meaning they sensed something humans and weather radars completely missed. How? They detect infrasound, super low-frequency waves created by distant storms and tornado systems. Waves we can't hear, but they can. So when these birds disappear all at once, it's not random. It's a warning, a message from nature. Something powerful is coming. Follow for more hidden animal abilities.